If you want to convert your face, for example, you want to create a picture profile and you want to convert your face to anime, you can use Anime PFP Generator profile picture. You have to insert your face. Look at this. For example, it's import face, and if you generate, it tells you, yeah, it's detected. In some cases, it does not detect the face, and no face detected. Nice in this case. So we have a better and clear face. For example, my face in this way. You can use the default image if you want. You can add a prompt to that. For example, wear glass, wear hat, coat, anything that you want. Or you can place in a specific scene if you want, or don't need to that. Number of image 3, and now I think it should be create anime on my face. Nice. Interesting. That's it. With one click, you can create your face. For example, this girl, and you can create an anime of that. Let's create a scene. Something like this, and generate. And which scene do you want to be? It does not affect your overall of face. Just, I think it's changing the background with the accessories that is on you. Something like this. Interesting. You can experiment all of this. You can see it's adding a lots of jewelry on its. And for example, I think I like that. The asset and my face again. I want to be a king. Let's test that. Nice. I'm a big head king. Nice. That's it. So you upload your image, and then in one click and the prompt that you want, and create a scene, for example, with a crown, anything that you want, you can choose one of these scenes and accessory that are something like this. Interesting. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.